Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, March 15th. We are going to be seeing another breezy day out there today under partly cloudy skies, but we'll be seeing a slightly warmer day than we have been seeing, with highs expected to be in the low 50s. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see another chilly day across the region. You normally seeing temperatures in the lower to mid 50s for this time of year, but all locations across the mid-Atlantic only saw temperatures get up to the lower to mid 40s, so running about 10 degrees below average right now. This morning was chilly as well for most locations, with many locations reporting lows at or just below freezing. Here at Wallops, we were actually the warm spot this morning, only getting down to 35 degrees. As of 9 a.m., we were seeing another chilly morning across the area, still seeing temperatures just above freezing for most locations. As of 10 a.m. here at Wallops, we have reached into the lower 40s, and we do anticipate those temperatures to continue rising through the afternoon into the lower 50s, and we are seeing sunny skies across the region. Taking a look at our morning sounding, we're seeing breezy winds again just above the surface. As of 12Z this morning at the surface, we were seeing those wind gusts just start to get up to around 25 knots. Just above the surface, we're seeing some sustained winds from the west to west-northwest from about 30 to 40 knots from 1,000 all the way up to 12,000 feet. Then we're just seeing a slight uptick in those winds at the 16,000 20,000 foot level, between about 40 to 50 knots from the west, and then those winds are actually decreasing at the 25,000 foot level, only seeing a 23 knots from the west-southwest. We were seeing a freezing level this morning just above the surface at about 700 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, hasn't been much change in this surface map over the past couple of days. We continue to see that low pressure to the northeastern parts of the country, as well as high pressure across the Gulf states, and that pressure gradient between those two features has continued to give us breezy winds, especially in the afternoon across the region for the past several days, and we do anticipate that to continue today and into tomorrow, and then we'll finally get a break from the persistent breezy northwesterly flow that we have been seeing. So taking a look at our forecast charts here for the next couple of days. For tonight, we're still going to be seeing that low pressure sticking around off to the northeast, with high pressure off across the Gulf states, so still expecting some breezy winds this afternoon. We will see those winds die off, however, as we lose that daytime heating. There is going to be a weak shortwave moving through the area as we go into this afternoon that will be giving us a slight uptick in cloudiness as we go into this afternoon and evening. Can't rule out a slight chance of a brief sprinkle across the area, but that does look to be only about 10% or less for that to occur at this time. As we go into tomorrow, we're actually going to get some high pressure quickly dropping out of the north from Canada, settling across the mid-Atlantic region, and that is going to stay just west of the area for tomorrow. So that's really going to just help to increase that pressure gradient once again for our Friday, giving us one more day of breezy northwesterly winds across the area. And then as we go into Friday evening, those winds are going to really start to die down as that high pressure starts to approach the area and settle over the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to finally cut off those persistent breezy northwesterly winds. As we go into Saturday, that high pressure is going to be over the area, so we are going to be seeing a break from the windiness, but we are also going to be looking at a weak area of low pressure moving south of the area from the west, and should be a fairly decent day for the first half of Saturday, with still seeing some sunny skies out there early in the morning, and not looking at it like a threat of a wind advisory, which would be a nice change from what we have been seeing. But as Saturday afternoon rolls around, we are going to be looking at chances of rain overspread in the area, persisting through Saturday evening. It does look to just be some light rain event, so not expecting any large amounts of accumulation or any heavy rain. And there is going to be still some cold air off to the north, so can't rule out a few snowflakes mixing in from areas around Salisbury to the north, but it's still going to be mostly a rain event for the entire mid-Atlantic. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, only weather hazard we're looking at is once again those breezy winds. Just seeing wind gusts around 35 miles per hour currently, and that is going to be the case throughout the day today. We are going to be seeing an uptick in cloudiness as we go into this afternoon as that weak shortwave approaches that I had mentioned. And like I had said, we can't rule out a slight chance of a sprinkle, but that does appear unlikely at this time. Temperatures are going to rise into the lower 50s today, so that'll be a little bit more close to what we expect for this time of year. As we go into tonight, we'll see those winds drop down from the north, or decrease from the northwest yet again, becoming 5 to 10 knots by Friday morning. And then as we go into Friday afternoon, as that high pressure approaches, we're going to see those winds increase for just one more day, expecting another wind advisory tomorrow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, just seeing a few clouds out there right now around that 9,000 foot level. We do anticipate some clouds to pop up around 5,000 feet as we go into this afternoon, and as well as some continued clouds near that 9,000 foot level. Could be seeing a broken cloud deck at times as we go into this afternoon, and then as we lose that daytime heating after sunset, we're going to be seeing just a few clouds near 5,000 feet. Could even be seeing perfectly clear skies after midnight, and then we'll see a few lower level clouds move back into the area early Friday morning. For the next few days, we're going to see partly cloudy skies and breezy winds once again tomorrow. High of 47 degrees expected, so it is going to be chilly yet again. For Friday night, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy to perhaps mostly clear skies. It is going to be cold as we have those winds starting to die down as high pressure settles overhead, so expecting a low of 30 degrees. And then Saturday, it's going to be partly sunny early, and then we are going to have clouds quickly increasing as we go into the afternoon as that system approaches from the west. And that is going to give us, we are going to see light rain chances increasing as we go throughout the afternoon and evening for our Saturday. Going to be a chilly day yet again this Saturday with a high of 46 degrees. Taking a look at our extended outlook here. Still expecting below average temperatures for the extended outlook. We are going to be still seeing those temperatures around 10 degrees below average under partly cloudy skies. Next rain chances will be Saturday afternoon and evening with that weak system skirting the southern half of the Delmarva. And then on Sunday, we're going to still be seeing some weak high pressure building in the area, so just expecting partly cloudy skies with temperatures near 50 degrees. Yesterday we were monitoring a warm front that was going to be approaching the area late Monday. That system has slowed up a bit, so it is going to be impacting the area a little bit later on Tuesday, and we aren't going to be looking at as much of a warm-up as we were as the models were showing yesterday, as the models are coming into a better agreement that we aren't going to be seeing those temperatures near 60 degrees. So Tuesday, we are going to be seeing a pretty strong system move across the area, which is going to bring widespread rain. Still a lot of uncertainty in the forecast on the track and strength of that system, as that system moving farther north or south across the mid-Atlantic will definitely have a big impact on the amount of precipitation we get, as well as if we perhaps get any thunderstorms, or if it moves a little bit farther south, we could get some colder air behind it and even get some more wintry precipitation into the middle of next week. But for right now, we are expecting temperatures around 50 degrees for the middle of next week. Tuesday definitely looks like a washout rain rise, and we could still be seeing some scattered showers across the area for Wednesday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your operations brief and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a wonderful day.